Hello. Yes, these questions are very important for our life, for bio, for students appearing for competitive exams, medical and social and government exams. These are very informative questions. Question number one, that is, how many bones in human body? So option is 200, 206, 300 and 316. But its answer is 206. Its answer is 206. Next is name vitamin that dissolves in water. Name vitamins that dissolve in water. The vitamin B and C. Answer is vitamin B and vitamin C. It dissolves in water. Next is unit to measure the ozone layer. And question number 4, why is tomato red? Question number 5, the biggest flower in the world. Question number 6, bones in newborn baby, number of bones in newborn baby, and biggest bird, and a pH value in human blood. Blood is acidic or basic, and a chemical name of the vitamin C, and a longest plant in the world, and bird which fly back. So in this question number 1, question number 2, I have covered it. Question number 3, that is how you need to measure the ozone layer. This is Dobson. Dobson is the unit. Dobson. This is Dobson is the unit to measure the ozone layer. Why is tomato red? What is the cause that our tomato is red? This is due to presence of lycopene. Due to presence of lycopene, tomato is red in color. Bone in newborn baby. In newborn baby, there are more bones, more than 206. In newborn baby, there are 300 bones. And biggest bird, ostrich is the biggest bird. Its answer is ostrich. Ostrich. And pH value in the human blood. In human blood, pH value in blood is 7.4. 0 to 7. If pH value is 0 to 7, it is acidic, and 7 to 14, it is basic. This implies human blood is basic in nature. It is base. Blood is acidic or basic. This is the basic in nature. And chemical name of the vitamin C. Vitamin C chemical name is ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid. And 11th is longest plant. Eucalyptus is the smallest plant. Eucalyptus. Leptus. Spelling will clear. Eucalyptus is the longest plant, and bird which fly back. A bird that can fly backwards. So this is name is Gunjan. Gunjan is the bird that fly back. That is Gunjan. It is Gunjan. Gunjan is the bird that fly back. So please clear these questions in next video like these questions, and these questions are related with the bio and general awareness and with general science and bio. So zoology, botany, all I covered it. Please try your best, and if you think these are knowledgeable questions, you are getting knowledge from these questions, so please transfer these questions to your friends in the world. Everyone is respectable, respect everyone, and must be beneficial if it is beneficial for you, and please subscribe it if you wish. Okay, thank you.